Throat and neck sign and symptoms, hoarse voice. Hoarse voice. In acute cases, hoarse voice is due to either external invasion of wind heat or lung heat, which may develop from such an invasion of external wind. The presence of the hoarse voice by itself indicates wind heat rather than wind cold. Because the throat is a place where the heat easily accumulates. In such cases, a hoarse voice is accompanied by a sore throat, aversion to cold, fever, a red tongue in the front or side, and a flatting rapid pulse. A hoarse voice also may occur when acute lung heat after an invasion of wind heat. In such case, the hoarse voice will be accompanied by a sore throat, a feeling of blockades of the throat, cough with scanty yellow sputum, chest pain, a red tongue with dry yellow coating, and overflowing rapid pulse. In chronic cases, by far the most common cause of hoarse voice is a deficiency of yin in both lungs and kidneys. In such cases, a hoarse voice is accompanied by a dry throat at night, an itchy throat, weak voice, dizziness, tinnitus, night sweating, a tongue without coating and bloating, empty pulse. This pattern is more commonly in the elderly. A less common cause of chronic hoarse voice, also in the elderly, is an accumulation of phlegm and blood stasis in the throat. In its case, there will also be a sore throat, a feeling of obstruction of the throat, thickening of the vocal cords, nodules on the vocal cords, a swelling of the throat, purple tongue, and wiry pulse. Our summary, hoarse voice. Due to invasion of heat, so there is sore throat, sudden onset, aversion to cold, fever, red tongue, floating rapid pulse. If the hoarse voice is due to lung heat, so there is sore throat, feeling of blockades of the throat, cough with scanty yellow sputum, chest pain, red tongue with dry yellow coating, and overflowing pulse, rapid pulse. Lung and kidney insufficiency, so there is dry throat at night, itchy throat, weak voice, dizziness, tinnitus, night sweating, tongue without coating, floating empty pulse, phlegm and blood stasis in the throat, sore throat, feeling of obstruction of the throat, thickening of the vocal cords, nodules on the vocal cords, swelling on the throat, purple tongue, and wiry pulse. Lung chi stagnation. So hoarse voice that comes and goes according to emotional state. Irritability, depression, worry, feeling of lumps in the throat, sighing, feeling of oppression of the chest. So acupuncture po ang lung 7, lung 3, pericardium 6, stomach 40. Lung and kidney deficiency. Hoarse voice with slow onset. Dry throat, thirst with a desire to drink and small sip. Dry cough that is worse in the evening. Thin body, breathlessness on exertion, lower backache, night sweating, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, scanty urination, normal colored tongue without coating and floating empty pulse. So acupuncture, kidney 3, REN 4, spleen 6, REN 12, lung 9, kidney 6. REN MY, lung 7 with kidney 6. Phlegm and blood stasis. Hoarse voice in a chronic condition. swelling of the pharynx, sputum in the throat, feeling of oppression of the chest, abdominal pain, mental restlessness, dark complexion, redness, purple, and swollen tongue with sticky coating, wiry, slippery pulse. Collapse of yin or yang. Hoarse voice with sudden onset in the course of serious chronic disease. Other symptoms and signs depend on whether there is collapse of yin or collapse of yang. Kidney channel pathology in pregnancy. Hoarse voice towards the end of the terms. This is due to the kidney connecting channel from the uterus to the throat, and it does not require treatment. Invasion of wind heat. Hoarse voice with acute onset, sore throat, aversion to cold, fever, headache, body ache, slight sweating, tongue with red sides and in front, floating rapid pulse. Thank you po for your attention.